humongous shout out to Tech Highest for posting this on Twitter. We got Tech Lover, software developer, Sky Prison, get all those people right there. Shout out to him for posting this because my man's absolute W for this. Or female, I'm not sure. I say man's as a either male or female. You're my man's. Anyway, so we got ourselves a little animation here of the upcoming Tri-Foldable cell phone. So this apparently is when you're taking a selfie. So let's look at this. Which, this is obviously the outside camera, right? This is the outside selfie camera. And this is the phone fully open as a Tri-Foldable phone. I still will say a million bazillion times, I don't understand the concept of this phone. Like, I understand it's going to be a limited run. I understand it's going to be $3,000. I understand, there's going to be a market out there, people who are like, oh, I just want to spend that much money just to get the latest and greatest technology, even if it's going to have buggy and have problems and, just not be perfect. I still am so beyond. I don't know how I feel about this, but hey, it's still a cool concept, and I still love looking at it because I'm never picking this up. Not for like $3,000. And not only that, it's only going to be released in South Korea and China. And now with the tariffs, that's going to boost up this price tag. What, 55%, I think, is the tariffs? So, like, anything you import in from China is going to be 55% more money. So, like, if it's $3,000, for example, right? You're going to have to probably pay tax on that. So then that's going to be point whatever your area is, right? So that's going to be, for me at least, that would be $3,180 times. And again, if you're not in America, that's completely different. But if you're in America like I am, you're going to have this issue. And then it's times 55. So that's another $1,749 on top of that. So if I went to buy this right now from China, right, it would be $4,929. So the MSRP would be $3,000. It would cost me just shy of $5,000 to buy it, because I would have to pay taxes on it. I would have to pay the sales tax on it, and then I would also have to pay the import tax, the import fee, and there's probably some other fees as well. But I would have to pay the tariff fee to get it here, and that's literally more than half of the original MSRP price. Yeah. So your boy's never going to get this, and I don't know how many people are, but if you are, shout out to you, because you have it like that. But all that, and then if it breaks, it's like, oh yeah, you get like no actual warranty. Now Samsung's really good at giving warranties, but if you buy it from a third-party site or a third-party person, I don't know if you're going to get that warranty. So, shout out to that fact. See you guys in the next one, though.